When choosing between Fake GPS and Lexa Fake GPS Location, users often consider factors like ratings, stability, file size, and long-term accuracy. In this video, we'll compare these apps to help you make an informed choice for location spoofing. Part 1. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, Overview and Deployment. The Fake GPS app is a location spoofing tool that allows users to set a virtual GPS location on their Android devices. It works by enabling mock locations in developer options, letting apps believe the device is somewhere else. The Lexa Fake GPS Location app is an Android tool that lets users simulate a different GPS location on their device. By enabling mock locations in developer options, it allows apps to register the chosen location instead of the real one. Part 2. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, Pricing and Ratings. Fake GPS is a free and highly rated GPS spoofing tool for Android, with an average rating of around 4.6-4.7. It allows users to select locations on a map and works with most apps, making it simple and accessible. Part 3. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, Customer Support and Reviews. Part 4. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, More Features. Part 5. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, which is better? Fake GPS offers developer tools and solid ratings, while Lexa has saved favorites and a larger user base. Lexa is simpler. Fake GPS offers more control. Choose based on ease vs. advanced options. Part 6. Fake GPS vs. Lexa Fake GPS Location, Best Alternative. Virtual Location Tool offers precise location spoofing for Android and iOS, with smooth map control, route simulation, and customizable speed. It outperforms Fake GPS and Lexa, ideal for gamers and testers needing advanced features.